Hello, fellow campers, and welcome back to episode 3 of Camping in Africa Hacks. As always, we've got our resident hack man and gadget man with us here. Hartog is next to me here. And he told me he can almost guarantee that the majority of you guys already have today's hack in your car when you're going. So I'm intrigued. Please tell us a bit more.
Hello campers, travelers and overlanders and everybody else. Thank you for joining our channel. Yes, today I want to cover something that happened to us 2 or 3 times, and then you sit, if you're remote, you sit with a problem, and that is when I forgot to pack the kettle. Okay, most of the time we camp off grid, so it goes on the fire. That's why we use this, and then you're not again very popular. But as always, I think I didn't worry because I figured something I learned in my military days that will get us out with this one too. And that getting out is this piece of equipment or cool drink or whatever you carry in your vehicle. This is a normal 2-liter Coke Zero bottle. And we use this as a replacement for a kettle on the fire. Okay, what happens? You take it out, you pour your water in, preferably just half, don't fill it up. You put it on coals only, not flames. If there's flames nearby, it will melt everything that don't have water, or the parts that don't have water, it will melt it. So coals only, put it on there. It takes about 7 to 15 minutes, depends on how much water you put inside. It boils nice as in a kettle, and then you take it off. Don't screw a lid on it, because if you do that, it will explode. That's important that you remember that. I've showed it to people previously, and they forgot that is you'll get hurt with that if you're near by the fire. Don't put a cap on that. And then you put it on the coals, 7 to 15 minutes. You've got at least 3 cups of nice cups like that, nice coffee, and nothing happens. So if you forget the kettle, 2-liter Coke bottle, always nice to have. We also use this as a funnel. We once met 2 Austrian people in the Kawareb Sloeg in Namibia. They were sitting there for the whole day in the blazing sun. They rented a bakkie from Brits, and there's diesel on the roof, but they don't have a pipe or a funnel, and they couldn't figure out how to get diesel into their vehicle. Well, when we stopped there, I asked them whether they have a 2-liter Coke. They said yes. They throw out the Coke. We cut off the bottom part, and we use this as a funnel. I always carry that also with me. The same thing we also use to put the candle in and put it on a table. I've seen other guys that use it for a lot of other stuff, but normally that's what we use it for. And otherwise, we carry 2 of these bottles that we totally freeze in the freezer, and that help us with ice through our trip. Yes, so yeah, remember, if that happens, or if you don't want to run a kettle, you do want to do something else, this is a way to boil your water. The smaller bottles also works. 300 and the 500 ml also works. Same principle of no lid on top. Thank you. I hope you will try it and let us know, and the hacks you guys have, or you guys use with the 2-liter Coke bottle. We pack a lot of stuff in this, but let us know in the comments that we also can learn your tricks of the trade. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Perfect. Thank you very much. I think that is, once again, useful information to have. As I said, let us know in the comments what you think, some of your hacks. Let's all learn together. As always, happy camping. Until next time. Cheers.
Keep it well.